So today I want to show you part of what the recalibration system looks like. First, it's important to understand your problems, your challenges, because how else are we going to make any change? How else are we going to shift? How else are we going to transform pain and suffering if we don't address it, if we don't pay attention to it? A significant part of this system involves just being conscious, being aware. And so I developed a very special kind of framework of how to work through our problems. We have to understand that any negative emotion weakens our system. We want to be conscious of the patterns of the emotions that are there, because if we break them, if we learn to overcome them, then our quality of life is also going to enhance. So, supposing that on my way here to the station I was driving and somebody cut me off and I had to slam on the brakes, and my coffee or my drink or whatever I had in my car flew out and it ruined my car, everything got dirty, and all of a sudden I got really mad and I'm furious and I'm honking and I'm thinking, oh my God, that jerk, and now I have to go to get my car washed and it's a mess and all that stuff, right? So let's just suppose I'm really, really, really mad, okay? And we should be mad. Why not? Who wouldn't be upset or annoyed, right? But the idea is that we make it okay to be upset, but that we overcome it immediately. And let's just say that rather than the next episode in life that happens where something makes us mad, let's just suppose that we never, ever got to be as mad as a 10 anymore, because all of a sudden we've developed a way of living where now rage can no longer have power over us. This is what this framework is about, not to pretend that you will never have any negative emotions that impact your life, but rather to learn a system of how to cope with it, and preferably to never fall into that type of emotion ever again. And that's how we break these emotional patterns.